Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the queued for download error on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you are getting this error, press the PlayStation button and then go to downloads/uploads and then locate the game under downloads. Now for me, it says Destiny 2 and it specifically says there's an error and I simply don't have enough free space on my PlayStation 5. So go ahead and press options on the game and cancel and delete the game from this section. So Destiny 2, let's go over to OK now. And we want to verify that we have enough storage space on our PlayStation 5. Now let's go to settings and then go on down to storage and select this. Go to console storage and go to games and apps and select a few games to delete. So let's delete a game under here. So let's press X now on something. And then go to select items to delete, and let's delete Brawlhalla, and then go over to delete. Now it says the available storage after deleting on the top. Now in some games, when we're downloading it, we may need like 2 or 3 times more storage space than what we think we actually do. So like Call of Duty Modern Warfare is 150 gigabytes. We may need like 250 gigabytes of free space available. So just delete enough and just see if it actually downloads. Now let's back out of here and then go up to where it says the network. Now there could be an issue with your network. So let's go on over to settings and go to set up internet connection and choose your current connection and press options on it. Go to advanced settings and then go to the DNS settings and switch this to manual and go to primary DNS and just type this in 8.8.8.8 and then go to the secondary DNS and type in 8.8.4.4, then go to the MTU settings, go to manual and type in 1472 and then press OK and then just simply reconnect to the internet using these settings. Now let's back out of here and go back to the main settings menu and go to users and accounts and then go on down to other and then go to the right. Go to console sharing and offline play. Try enabling this or disabling it and then re-enabling this. So this will allow you to share PlayStation Plus and your games with other accounts on your PlayStation. And this could be causing an issue. Then go to restore licenses and restore the licenses for downloaded content you can't use. So if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try simply just restoring it. And this should take about 3 or 4 minutes to completely do. Most oftenly, this will resolve the issue where you have like a lock symbol next to your games. Another thing that you could try, if you have your email address and password available to you for your PlayStation account, sign out and then re-sign back in. There could be an issue with your account not syncing properly with PlayStation Network, and re-signing in could fix that issue. And also, if you are using the disc version of the game, what you could try doing is switching to a different profile and then logging in and then putting the disc in and having it download and copy on a different profile. You can also try this with digital games. Just simply go to the game library and try downloading it on a different profile. Now, the last tip I have for you is to rebuild the database by pressing the PlayStation button and then going to power and turn off your PlayStation 5 and close all games and apps and completely turn off the PS5. Now with your PlayStation completely 100% turned off, there's no light on the light bar, locate the power button right here and hold this down. You will hear one beep initially and about 5 to 10 seconds later you will hear a second beep. And this will launch your PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu. And to operate the safe mode menu, you will need to connect your controller with a cable here, a USB cable. And then you will need to press the PlayStation button and then use the D-pad to operate the menu. Let's go over to my TV right now. Now go on down to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. Then go to option 2, rebuild database. Now it says it may take a few hours to rebuild the database, but if you are having any kind of problems with your solid state drive, this should go ahead and fix the issue with that. And it should only take about 5 minutes. It's not going to take a few hours to go ahead and do this. So just go and try this out. And hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If you did, go leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.